and girls. 안녕하세요.
What?
Konnichiwa. Namaste. Selamat datang. 大家早上好. My name is Eileen and I'd like to welcome all of you here to the Bulls Amphitheater for our bird show. Now we have lots of birds to show you this morning. Look up everyone. Can you see that white bird enjoying his morning exercise? His name is Baba. That's right. Now once Baba is all set, he'll be flying very low above your heads before landing on my head, okay? And all of you help me to call his name. His name is Baba. Ready? 1, 2, 3!
Baba!
Baba, we're calling for you! Oh, here he comes. Oh, here he comes. Very low. And a touchdown. Let's give him a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Very nice flying. Good job. Well done. Now, during the show, there will be many birds flying very low above their heads, just like what Baba did just now. Would you like that? Yes, I'm sure you would, but I will need your cooperation, okay? If you want the birds to come close to you, please remain seated. 请坐下. 앉으세요. 북가르르. And remember, put your hands down by your side. Some of you were raising your hands when Baba was flying, okay? Put your hands down. Do not reach out and touch the birds. Can you promise me that? Yeah. Very good. Now it's for your safety and of course for the safety of our lovely birds, okay? Now on stage here we have some beautiful flamingos. Can you see the baby flamingos? The ones in grey. We have 6 of them. They're only 4 months old. Yes, bred and raised right here in the bird show department, and it takes about a full year before the baby flamingo will attain its pink adult plumage. Now flamingos, they would usually travel in a huge flock, right? So right now I need a leader to lead the flock back home. Let's give the flamingos a big round of applause, everyone.
Everybody say yeah. Bắt đạp. Có tèo đi đó.
For your own safety, remember?
Drill.
Hands down. 把你的手放下来。谢谢。
Con vẹt đẹp lắm.
Hands down, please. Hands down. Do not reach out and touch the bird. Once again, for your own safety, thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, oh, that's a piece of papaya that rushed it through for Vicky. Oh, she swallowed it whole with one big gulp. That was really fast. Well done. Now Vicky here is our hornbill. She is a great pied hornbill to be more precise. Isn't she a beautiful bird? Yes. Now in honor for our future